Monday. That's my chair. That's what I look like. And all I did was flashcards. Yeah. Sorry that I can't take you today, but you're 15 minutes late.
Just because I'm 15 minutes late doesn't mean I can't do my appointment.
Yes, unfortunately, that's 15 minutes too late, and I have other clients to see today. I'm really sorry, so maybe we can reschedule.
No, I need to get them done now.
I unfortunately don't have time right now. I mean, do you want me to do half a set right now, or?
No, do all of the nails right now.
Sorry, unfortunately, that because I do have other clients after you, and I will be taking time away from them. So, yeah, we're gonna have to reschedule.
Forget them. What about you?
I'm sorry. I understand, but it's also 15 minutes late. You did arrive 15 minutes late, and we talked about this last month.
What did we talk about?
We talked about coming at 4:30. It is now 4:45. That's 15 minutes too late.
Actually, you're 15 minutes late.
I'm not 15 minutes late. You came to me. We're talking about what? I was outside of your house for 15 minutes, and you didn't show up. And you didn't open the door.
Taking a shower. Well,
Unfortunately, we had a set time, and I don't have enough time to do your lashes, and now I'm arguing too much, and it's taking away time. So we're gonna have to reschedule. If you don't want to reschedule, I'm sorry, but
Okay, fine. We'll reschedule it tomorrow.
yes.
At 9 o'clock.
Yay! Oh my god. Hi. Welcome to Just Be. How are you?
I'm good.
I was wondering if you want to get your lashes done. It's a very good way to enhance your features because you already have a lot of lashes, and if you don't want extensions, you could do Korean lash lifts. I have those services too.
Okay, I think I'd like to try that, please.
Awesome. So okay, we're starting the service. Yeah, and so how was your day?
It's been good, and yours?
It's alright. I'm almost done with your set. So how are you feeling?
I don't like this.
Oh, you don't like it? Why? Are you feeling uncomfortable?
Yes.
Oh, how can I help you feel more comfortable?
maybe. Thank you.
Okay, so that concludes our appointment. Do you like your lash lift?
Yes.
Hi, Ali. Welcome back to Just Be. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm doing good. What are we doing today? We're getting your lashes or your nails?
My nails. Can I please get a pink platform with some hearts and some gems?
Period. Okay, I bet I can do that for you. How are your nails feeling?
Good, all fine, clean.
Okay, I'm gonna do the gel right now. Is that a good color for you?
Yeah. Can we just change it?
Okay, what kind of color do you want?
Like a baby blue.
Oh, okay, that's actually a really good color. That would be so good. Okay, how about that?
You know what? Let's just switch it up back to pink.
Oh, period. Okay. All right.
All right, now let's move on to the design.
Yes. Okay. You were saying, what did you want? I put a black line.
Heart.
A heart.
And
Okay.
gems.
Okay. Okay. A gem. There we go. Do you like that?
Can we maybe switch off the gems?
Oh. Okay. Okay. How about that?
No, it's too plain.
Okay,
Can
yeah.
we please fix it to a blue
gem or?
blue gem and some sunflowers?
Okay, that's a good idea actually. Okay, how are you liking that?
Change it to all pink.
Okay. Look. Unfortunately, all these color changes are going to take too much time off of our appointment, and we only have 5 minutes left. So, we only have 2 minutes to put a top coat, and yeah, so we're gonna have to go a little bit simpler because I have another appointment after this.
All right, my final decision. Let's just go with the pastel green
Perfect.
with some. Wait.
Oh, okay.
With some flowers and some plants.
Okay, we're still doing sunflowers.
And some sparkles.
Oh, we only have 5 minutes, but okay. Okay, how about that? You like that?
Can we switch off the?
You know what? Cancel this part. You play that part too well, girl. I had to record myself. I have my white coat and my apron and my scrubs. And plant. Sorry y'all look at my feet so much, but Tuesday? We're on Tuesday and we had 3 people leave already. 3 baddies gone. But we're just finishing our chapters tomorrow. We got our student kids. Oh my god, we got our student kids. They're so cute. I'll show you guys.
Need to call them back if I wanted to purchase. I was like, that's not what we're here for.
She's actually told that way, and then so that's why I gave her my explanation.
Anyways, today is Tuesday and we are here because I officially got my student kit. Hello, and I'm gonna go look for a locker. I hope they have a locker. I need a locker. I need a lock for my locker. Jeez. If they're hiring, I should apply. Okay, damn. I did not think I was gonna find it so fast. But I got one and I hope it fits. No, friend. All the nasty coochie daddies are at Home Depot. Look away. We're on a mission here, y'all. We're on a mission. Bless the girl that helped me out, because, girl, be quiet. I had no idea what I was going for, and I really hope that it works with my locker. We gonna see. So I'm here picking up my nieces. This is my time after school, from 2 to 5, maybe 6. For her vacation, pretty much. I'm not one of those girls.
Wait, what? Let's get our music festival ready.
Oh, that's a good one.
Festival ready. There you go.
Festival ready. So we're actually thinking of before pictures. I know, I'm like, oh my gosh, she's really ready.
Just use one of my old ones.
Of you? Do you have one of you?
I think I do.
Hey.
I feel like I do.
First one here. Where are the chairs like this? Let's get this facial, not the, just at the iPads, y'all. Yeah. Arts and crafts queen. Friends, I'm currently on my way to my client. I went to Home Depot. I returned the lock. Yeah, it didn't fit. I need a bigger one. Anyways, so I'm just not gonna get a lock. It's fine. I'll just keep everything in my car, or I'll take it. You know, everything's cool. But yes, must admit, sometimes these damn drives make it all worth it, because this is so pretty. Sorry, I'm giving y'all motion sickness. I didn't get to put you on my mount, but at least you are spending my day with me, or a week with me. I'm trying to be an influencer, and I'm shy, and you just parked next to me. Cancelled. You're cancelled. My friend, you're cancelled. I'm summoning my inner influencer. One hit for Bella. Oh yeah. The thing that sucks is that I need to stop to the restroom. Yeah. To be so bad. So bad. But I got so many compliments on my glasses. Thanks, queens.
I don't know if he lost. Sometimes it's because he like loses his toy under the, or if he wants to be up here. That's from a fan, which I had done it like 2 or 3 weeks ago, so there was like a little bit of buildup.
Yeah. You're lying. I just wanted to tell you guys that I got my underarms and my legs half shaved. Well, my underarms are fully shaved, but my legs are half shaved. And my tripod is so cool. Anyways, bye. So I want to try that thing where like if you record, they give you more chipotle. Let's go see if I can. Oh my gosh. Ew. No beans. I'm just gonna get white rice. No beans, but I'll take steak. Queso, please. I'll get the tomatoes, the corn. Tomatoes, what else? The corn, the green salsa, cheese, and lettuce. That's it. Thank you. I'll take a drink. I'm gonna get a regular. No, guys, it was unsuccessful. They still do not give a fuck. My God, I was gonna hit the dough. Well, it was unsuccessful, which is so unfortunate because I was rooting for you, Chipotle. I was rooting for you. I only ate like 1 bite, 2 bites. What y'all think, chat? What y'all think? It's Friday. We have a piercing demo. Yeah, and then I'm probably gonna get an oatmeal mask, or I'm gonna do it on myself. I'm planning to do it on myself so I can get some points, honey. Points. Good morning. Is it on?
You know, and she was staying here like the last month. This last month.
Currently on my way to our Mother's Day event. Oh my God, look at the windows up. I told her I was just gonna assist because your girl can't do makeup. Yikes. So, I mean, unless they want lashes, unless they want eyeliner, like that, you know, goth look, girl. Spider webs, bats, I got you. Foundation, yeah. The silence is loud. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. They have a patio.
Okay, you want 1 or 2 pieces? 2 please. Okay.
ratón de tu ratonera, trampa que no mata pero no es tiempo, baby pa' que te miento.
She did a little.
Eso de que me viene.
When LA is like this,